Hello, I'm Carmen and welcome to the Featherweight Shop. We have just finished unpacking from our Featherweight retreats, and I wanted to let you know that next year's retreat registration is now open. If you have never been to Hamilton, Missouri, you're in for a real treat. Hamilton, affectionately known as Quilt Town, USA, is the home of Missouri Star Quilt Company, and it's an amazing place to have a Featherweight retreat. There are 12 unique quilt stores, ranging from a boutique shop to primitives and even seasonal fabrics. And of course we can't forget Man's Land, where the guys can kick back and watch a movie or even play pool. But one of the main attractions at Missouri Star is the Sewing Center, which is a complete retreat center with over 30 beds and a massive sewing center and teaching area. Each Featherweight retreat will include an all-day class on featherweight maintenance, and on the other days we even cover some advanced maintenance topics. And of course there's plenty of time for sewing and shopping. And you'll also get to spend time with friends and make new Featherweight friends from around the country. So grab your Featherweight and join us at Missouri Star Quilt Company in August of 2020. There's a link on our website to the retreat registration, and we hope to see you there.